This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado, flood, or earthquake, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the Kansas City area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Strawberries. New honey bunches of oats with strawberries.
We do several hundred septic system repairs a year. If your septic system fails, you're going to run into several problems. It will either back up into the yard, into the house. I would recommend you use